Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can activate the rest mode. So what the rest mode is, the rest mode is when you turn off the engine and leave, for example, for shoppings, but you want to have the same temperature when you're coming back. So this car has this option, the VW Touareg has this option of a rest mode. So when you're turning off the engine, just press over here on the right the rest button, and now inside is going to be an average of the same temperature that you chose. For a period of time. Another thing, if you want to cancel this rest, if you want to close this rest option, just press the button again and it's closed. So thank you for watching and please subscribe.